don't know.
I'm pregnant.
Well, I'm gonna fall.
How could you tell?
Did you see what it was?
I thought it was for Obi.
Oh, gosh, I'm so happy.
What, I should take pictures of it?
I'm taking a video. Since my hubby's not here to see.
Oh, you look very Chinese in this one. You look When's your grandpa on it?
Did you take it?
Good. No.
Oh, smile nicely. Smile
No,
nicely.
perfect.
Just like doing the album. Oh, my God. This baby. I'm so happy.
Great.
Read the card.
Did you know
No, what? Congratulations.
that she was pregnant?
With what?
You didn't know.
I knew.
You did?
No, he didn't.
Yes, I did.
I didn't tell him.
You did.
I did not.
You told me yesterday.
No, I did not.
You did.
I did not.
I'll tell you how you told me. You said something that we were talking about digging up the past, and you said something with your yard being large enough for kids to play in.
I mean, we want to have kids.
Very good. You made the card, too. Thanks. Thank you. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
That's the title of the song.
Hi, Chris. I'm so excited.
Okay, I'm signing off.